People say I'm spending too much time and money on my bike. I check the bike oil every 3,500 km, clean and lubricate the chain every 300 km, and check to see if everything else is functioning properly. I continue to take good care of my bike. Doing these things makes my journey peaceful and safe. Our earth life is a journey to our heavenly home. Similarly, living the basic principles of discipleship is compared to the regular maintenance of the bike. If we don't spend our time preparing ourselves by reading scriptures, praying, and obeying the commandments, our journey on earth will be difficult to finish. Message is to learn how you can make your journey on this earth life safe, peaceful, and joyous.